Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Verify the database engine and credentials, then install the appropriate driver for your website language. This matters because drivers translate queries into DB commands. Next, open necessary ports and configure the DB to accept connections. Once done, test a local connection from your development machine. This validates credentials and network. Make sure to store secrets securely, because leaking passwords breaks security and complicates debugging. Now implement the connection logic and middle steps that make the site talk to the database. Create a dedicated connection module that returns pooled connections and includes retry logic. That improves performance and resilience. Use parameterized queries or prepared statements for every user-supplied value, because that prevents injection attacks. Then wire your CRUD endpoints to the connection module and run migrations or schema checks to align models. Once wired, run integration tests to catch data mapping errors and type mismatches early. Finish by deploying with environment-specific configuration and a secure secret store. This keeps production credentials safe. Enable monitoring for connection errors, latency, and slow queries so you can spot issues quickly. Also deploy migration scripts with a rollback plan and keep automated backups before schema changes. If something goes wrong, first check the app logs for authentication errors, then the DB listener and firewall rules. If you see timeout errors, increase connection pool or check network routing as a key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.